Hello everybody. I'm just giving you an update on the Boss 302 that I'm rebuilding here. So this is the one that dropped a valve in the cylinder, and here is the repaired cylinder heads. So here's the cylinder where that valve got dropped. So here's the repair job on that cylinder head. So new valve guides, seat inserts, and new Fiera stainless steel valves, but it didn't come out too bad. So I'm glad it was able to be repaired. So that's the end result right there. So, you know, these Boss heads are darn rare and we don't want to have to lose them to damage like that, but new springs and retainers and everything, so we're back in good shape on the Boss 302 heads here. So no problem there, and I've got the short block to this point right now, so it won't be long before we're bolting the cylinder heads on. You know, and we'll have this thing up and running. So this is just a little bit of an update on where we're at with the Boss 302. So I appreciate all you guys watching or something, you know. If you want to like and subscribe, I will be starting this engine up one of these days, probably in another month or two. You know, got to get this thing painted and everything else. So, but I'm glad there's progress going on this. It just takes a long time to get some of these parts back from the machine shop. Okay, everybody. Thanks for looking.